Hello friends, now in this video I will teach you that how you can create a bulleted list and a number list in Microsoft Word. So for instance, if I write something like I have professional experience in enter like web development, graphic designing, video editing, mobile application development and digital media marketing. I teach on YouTube. You can subscribe my channel. So now for example, I want to make a bulleted list for these 5 lines. So what we will have to do, we will have to select these lines, and now here in the paragraph tab, which you can find in the home tab, so you can click here like create a bulleted list, and you can see it will create, like you can see this. And if you click here, you can see click the arrow to change the look of the bullet, so you can click here. So for example, this you can see now the bulleted list will change. Or we can select for example this one. So anyone we can select from this library, so we can use this one. And you can also use like this, the level you can see from here, like see, so see something like this. So the level and bulleted list you can change from here. And the next thing, like if you want to apply number list, so you can click here, simple, and you can see now this is now numbered list. And if you click here, so you will find more options in the numbering library, for instance like this one, so you can see this. And if you want to apply like ABC, you can also apply this. So this you can apply from here. So I hope you have learned how to apply bulleted list and number list in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much for watching this, and please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you very much once again.